And welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be planting some seeds. Now these seeds I got at Johnny Selected Seeds online, and no, this is not sponsored, but these are certified organic yellow onion. Takes 98 days to grow. I got 250 seeds, minimum 250 seeds. So what I'm going to be doing is planting them in these little containers that I got. I got these at Home Depot. They were about $2.50, and you get 5 of these, so you get 50 little grow homes, I guess you could say. They're so cute. And they were like $2.50 for 50 of them. Well, 50 of these little containers, but you get 10 of them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm just going to poke little holes into the soil. Now the soil that I used is for raised bed, and then I put some compost and cow manure in there. So that's what I'm doing today. And I have 7 of these beds that I'm going to be using. And I know I've got 250 seeds. And I'm going to be planting 70 seeds. But what I think I'm going to do, well, that's a little hard. Let me break that up. I think I'm going to put 2 seeds in each, just in case one doesn't germinate well. And then I'm going to keep the rest and do an actual raised bed. But what I'd like to do is help other people with getting gardens going. That's my goal right now. Because I know my sister-in-law would love to have a garden, so I'm going to help her out. And who else in my neighborhood? I know my neighbor, Belinda. She's so wonderful. She would like to have a garden as well. So I'm going to help her out too. Give her some onions. And we've got tomato plant seeds going too. Okay, so let's flick that down, make sure all the little seed guys get down to the bottom, because we don't want anything popping out or spilling out. And I'll show you what the seeds look like. Oh, see? Got a little bit of spillage there, because something got caught up in... See that? It got caught up. So let's get that down there. Did another one fall? I think another one fell, but you know what? It looks like dirt, so I can't even see it. So that's what they look like. They look like pieces of broken up charcoal. That's what they look like, pieces of broken up charcoal. Okay, so let's get this going. Let's put 2 seeds in each of their new little homes and cover that up. And we'll put these, because I'd like to get my, yeah, listen to me, because this is I normally do starter plants. It's my first time, besides doing, starter plants, this is my first time doing seeds. So I have read up on them, I have studied them, and I don't have a greenhouse as of yet. I have been looking online, and I will be getting a greenhouse, but until I get a greenhouse, because these guys, this is like for Central Florida, August, September, that's when you're supposed to be planting onion. So I will be keeping these in the garage, because I have, my garage is climate controlled. So, because they don't really like heat. So, I'm actually quite liking using seeds instead of starter plants. I really am. And I'll tell you why. Because with starter plants, you got to get them in the ground right away. And you don't know what their home life, I guess you could say, was really like before they were brought to a nursery, and then before you bought them and stuff like that. And then when you plant them, you don't know if it's going to be a hit or miss. So at least this way, you know what you did with them, how you took care of them, and things like that, and what they were accustomed to, I guess you could say. So from now on, I'm going to stay away from starter plants. I'm going to do seeds from now on. But the trick is getting online and getting the seeds first, because they sell out. Boom, just like that. It's crazy, I know. And this place, this Johnny Selected Seeds, they have a very high rating. I know. Hi, Penelope Janine. She's a pest. She's been getting into the garden and eating the vegetables. Yes, she has. Okay, well, now that you know what we're doing, yay. So this is my newest thing. So hopefully this works out. Oh, get off that. But anyway, I hope everyone is having a great day. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? I know that, my channel, I don't really have like an upload schedule. I'm going to try and get one. It's just that we've got a lot of family stuff going on right now. I posted a video just last night asking for prayers for my niece, Autumn Rose. And I don't want to talk about that right now, because I don't want to cry on camera. But I will give you an update at another time, I guess. Or should I just say it now? I don't know. I really don't. I don't like to get personal on my channel, but okay. Unfortunately, my niece has gone on. She's gone on. She's passed. And that's all I'm going to say about that. darn it. One just flung. One just flung. Oh. Deputy Dewey boy, why did that have to happen? And I don't even know where it went. Lord. Darn it. Well, anyway, the reason why I wanted to tell you about what happened with Autumn is because in her memory, I am sincerely thinking about renaming my channel in her memory. And I didn't want, anyone... I know I don't have that many subscribers, but for the few that I do have, I didn't want anyone to be like, whoa, wait, where'd she go? I just, I wanted to just give you a heads up to let you know that yes, it is still me, but I'm going to be renaming my channel in honor of my niece, Autumn Rose. What it's going to be, I'm not quite sure yet. Okay, y'all. Well, that's the end of this video. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next one. And I love you. Bye-bye.